Some runs. Yeah. Good evening, people. Wagwan out there. How is your mama and them? How is your daddy? How is your aunt? How is your cousin? Give thanks. I've got 3 relax. You see, before me start clot and your wholeness, you see you hypocrite and your wholeness, boy, you bro, God. You're worst thing for reach yard, you know. But before me cuss you, me go tell you a thing. And me go tell you a story. Me go tell Jamaica a story about Rasta. You see dreads in your head? Me go tell you something about Rasta. You see one thing you say Rasta, then look at Jamaicans as that. A foreign me live here now. If you know still, me not there yard. You see a foreign here, so Americans call you Dread. What's up, Dread? Hey, Dread, you tripping, dog. Dread, what's up, dog? You got that weed? Dread, you tripping, dog. Dread. Dread, what's up, Dread? Yo, you know, my homeboy, he a Dread. Dread, you don't know Dread from 9 away? You don't know Dread? Come on, man. Everybody know Dread. Come on, dog. Dread. You see Dread? And that then classify we as yard man and yard woman. Whether you're woman, whether you're man, whether you want pitney, whether you want nobody. As long as you have a blood clot accent, they call you a Dread. Hey, Dread. What's up, Dread? It's a signature, my G. And if you never realize that yet as a government, our signature. This our one. We own Rasta. And Rasta is not the ear. Rasta is a religion. And I don't want to give man them religion. And if I want to take Rasta and turn it in all kind of sitting. So till you say the Jews them live the Rasta lifestyle, but feed them Judaism and this and that. Remember, you know? And that, you know? Mr. Wholeness, you know? When you go across the world, you know, Mr. Wholeness, you know, Rasta, you know? Jamaica, you know? When you say Rasta, Jamaica, you know? Everybody follow with Mr. Wholeness, man. What you do? Everybody want to Rasta on the head. Everybody want to be a Dread. Everybody want to be also. Why you shun them? Why you? That's why you make we as Jamaicans don't like being ourselves. We don't like black and have we nappy hair. We don't like black and being the dreads. So we bleach. You see how my face brown? You see it? You hear me, G? If you are shun that, the naturalness in a life, remember, you know, we Rasta promote and nastiness, you know. And if you are going to say, you don't want a Rasta head pitney coming to school and you're fucking, you're America, you know. All in America, you're a Rasta pitney go to school, Mr. Wholeness. The ear upon the head. I want how you so against it. Why you so against it? And some people have it as a culture. Mr. Wholeness. Some people have this as a culture. Oh, blood clot. You know when you say Rastas, the color, yeah, when you think about it, a Jamaica you think about. When you think about the ear, a Jamaica you think about Rasta. Rasta no dirty living, Rasta no nasty. Rasta tell you about good eating and the right thing. Rasta no like Batman and them thing there, and them not promote the nastiness and them not promote the folly, and then like lesbian and then like Batman. Why you do? What are you against? Are you against them liberty? Are you against people here? What are you against? Why you don't want children with this here in your school? Why a Rasta cannot come to your school? Why? The court? Rascal. So the Supreme Court for where? England? So that means that if Andrew Wellness doesn't talk over this, that means that we don't need a prime minister then. If our prime minister can't say Yo, what you mean by that a fuckery? That must can go on. If Andrew Holness can put on him foot and say that a fuckery, we don't need a prime minister then. We need one. The court. Him no above the court. Him can't appeal it. Him can't appeal the decision. Him can't say something towards it. Him can't have a petition. Him can't do none of that. Against it. No, man. No, my friend. So what them a fight? I don't know why white people run the country, you know. So anything what white people do, they have to thing that. Slowly but surely, them a try kill everything a yard. All on a blood clot image. You see the image? The Rasta image, kind of how we trim side away now we are Rasta up at top, you know. I wouldn't want to live blood clot Rasta lifetime. I wouldn't want to live Rasta. I wouldn't want to live like, I wouldn't want white. I wouldn't want to live white. I wouldn't want to be American. All the American, them a wear locks. I wouldn't want the pitney, them a yard or nobody wear locks. Why? I won't have against the bubble them. Yes, then now we are rolling. We know that. Then I like beard. We know that. The dirty people them. We know that. We don't know what say Rasta them. Say, door beard. Door blood clad wash head. Fuck me, I fucking don't know. We don't know that about the Rasta them. You see me? One against. Tell me. One think every Rasta nasty Rasta. Truly hear me always a cussing nasty Rasta. Move your licey head. I'm a fucking comedian, I'm a jokey. That's what I do. You understand me? I go say some shit for you laugh. You understand me? Me don't really mean every lax, licey. Yes, Capleton say him now we roll on. Sizzler now we roll on. The man then that be a lime and fever grass, the man they rub up in her. Because blood clot, Rasta, they will fight against me now. What you know? So Rasta here, me I tell you now. You know, so I look into it and I say, yo, even the change in your life and stop talking about Zion. Everything about Chris. You see it? You see it? You see, if you want to stop talking about Selassie, your God, everything about good. You see, any day on the girl looking on the blood clot self and knows Selassie is not blood clot God. That time they don't know get on a break in a life, daddy. But you see, true for what everyone I want to get up every day, I want to try preach for no one thing. I want to not listen when a man I say, I want to bill, because he man, them a trim me. From 1943, them a trim me blood clot Rasta them. Justice for blood clot Rasta them. Fuck it. Me now hold it down the Friday man, bomba clot. Who the trim me blood clot Rasta them 1944, 1956, 1973, and 1999, 19 all of them on a trim me Rasta them. Low blood clot Rasta them. Every day as me look on a pick for the rest of them away Rasta them do. Every minute I Rasta them away Rasta them blood clot. Do make me drink my blood clot ganja juice in peace. Women them must say drink blood clot green juice and them thing down a burn out the man them on a wicked. We not fight the blood clot bubble them bigger. We not fight the rest them dog. And now I sit down yesterday and look into it say deeper than the blood clot locks. Cause I hear so now do it to the man them. I want to say Bob Marley I bring a blood clot swing for yard. The biggest thing for come from blood clot yard of blood clot locks for the head. The biggest thing. The man dead and the man still there number one on the billboard. And the man have locks. So won't I fight? Jesus Christ. God let silk boom up in a house with him mother. Sing much in good song phone. And I be a fight to the fight the rest them. Be a fight to the fight the blood clot rest them. Me don't want to hear one more round to sing no more blood clot Bob Marley. No more round me don't hear sing ba. But none of them wake up this morning and none of them. Me don't want to hear none of them there. Suck on no mother. Me don't want to hear none about Buffalo Soldier. No. Go on, go. Fuck it. You know if you done. You see life? Life funny, you know. Stop it. You know, fight the blood clot rasta them. Left the rasta them. You know, make Batman a live in peace. Make the rasta them live in peace too. You know, want accept Batman and say them might down and fight. Don't you pull like a rasta them when I do no. Eh? Where the blood clot rasta them done? No? Look there, Mr. Rasta in a parliament to bumbo clad. Who make Supreme Court a deal with you, sir? So on the so start though, lock up people with locks on their head, dog. On the so start to lock up with and them thing that trim with. On the so start to beat people with locks on their head then, dog. On the so start to kill people with Rasta. You remember when you used to kill Rasta them, you know? And that you don't want to go back to? What Rasta do? You know say this deep and lax? Not no more than you boy in the Supreme Court, the Rasta man fuck out your girl belly. Me think of this, a pussy carry a whole heap of feelings in a boy. You blood clot ballad boy. A Rasta fuck out your girl belly. I tell hood in a blood clot hole. Right? You heard? So you take it out for every Rasta. What would you? Remember, so I forgot trim too. You know, we saw no Rasta so can fly guy.
Come here, cowboy.
So when I say Rasta them are terrorists. So the Supreme Court a fuck you know. Andrew, make Supreme Court do what them a do. Tell the man them say they can do what them feel like. So what you gonna do? Go up a bubble, you go trim everybody. You trim Sizzler? You gonna trim Cable Tango? No. So go dig up Bob Marley and trim him. Uno go blood clot dig up Bob and make him fucking trim too. Until Bob Marley cut off in locks, nobody not trim. You hear that? Anyway, Bob Marley bury. Uno government dirty official and the whole segregation of uno. Go on in that blood clot and go dig up Bob Marley and trim him first. You see when you trim Bob, all of we shall follow. Until Bob Marley trim, me not trim. And so till Bob Marley trim, this law can't pass. Go trim Bujo. Right? Wanna make sure it's on the trim Bujo, you know. You see since I locks a trouble, you know, trim Bujo, trim Sizzler. And all of the blood, you see, wall up a blood clot, Bobo, you'll go up there, make them kill off on a blood clot up there. Bobo, you'll have sitting for up there. Uno go, you see, until Uno trim Bob Marley. And we not trim as yard man. Remember, said Bob Marley is a yard man. So when Bob Marley trim, Daddy, me trim. When you go trim Bob, I'm go trim Damian Marley them to the whole fucking lot of them. Go trim Rita. Me go catch him bumbo clot. If I fucking eat you up at the blood clot locks then there, find Rita and trim him bumbo clot. What Jimmy Cliff there? He have locks. Trim that. Trim that bumbo clot. You hear me? I try to tell you that. I remember me I try to tell you say every one of them but the one when in the parliament down there when you're in Crawford. Catch him. Catch him bumbo clot and trim him. And don't let me tell you again. You hear me? Make sure say you trim chronics. Go and go catch blood clot chronics and trim him. Make sure say Bujo first trim. And trim Bob. And garnet silk. Boom. Take out band garnet silk. When I fry, in locks they fry or not, and trim him. When you trim garnet silk on the Supreme Court, look here, trim Bob, trim garnet silk, trim Bujo, trim Capleton, trim Sizzler, trim Chronics, and then all of we are going to trim Coffee, trim all of them bumbo clot, catch them, trim them pussy wall and trim Beanie, trim Munga. Trim the wall of them bumbo clot, Jarastafari pussy wall. Go and go trim them pussy clot because if you want to come pick for Rasta, What because start pick for Rasta then because if I somebody the case, come trim every bumbo clad one. Here Snoop Dogg say my turn Snoop Lion, they go find the ear upon him blood clot and trim him. Trim Snoop! Make sure so you go fucking trim that, right? And if you can't find Snoop for trim him, you find one of his secretary and trim him bumbo clad. Yeah? Go trim Peter Touch, go trim Damien Gang Marley. Go and go trim every bumbo clad one of them before you come Supreme Judge. You fuck man. What is wrong with it? Alright? She every beard I found a blood clot. Got lighty white wig. It decades it I don't know. It tired. A white pussy clad wig 1.5 pound a Supreme headed on a Supreme ugly coat. On a batty coat. Why do you not got bunny blood clad all wig? The old frozen wig. It's supposed to think your grandfather, great-grandfather wear that blood clad. Eh? Trim every pussy clad. When you start trim for a one a day. Yes. Enough of no blood clad for trim. Go light in pussy clad wig. All you want to do? Stand up for we right. Marcus Garvey is still a fucking... He's a criminal in this country, all know and him dead. Because he a fight for we right and he not let it go. Fight for we right, boy. You can't go for money too, like Marcus. You know I go for money, Andrew. Fight, bring back some of them days the way we are fight for we right. Go fight for your lax. Go and go fight, thinking picture, look at. Jamaica people say they not vote if you no trim them, never. So, if you no plan for ban lax, the people say, you know if you got us. No one say them not vote and them not have nothing to do with no daddy. And they said it. You know have to fight for what? Paul Bogle walk from Stony got Galway a Spanish town. I fight for you right. Go fight for fucking lax them. Go and go fight for the man them blood clot lax. A whole heap of people do whole heap of great things for the island down there. You are going to make them take away the one Jamaica do one piece of the soil. We're down there. You know blood clot China $2 trillion the country broke. Bankrupt plus tax. No one nothing. And the only thing what we have left will not take that to. Relax them. The only thing what Jamaica want for themselves, me say in a foreign, yeah. When a Yankee see you, you don't know what's up, dread, all if you never have no blood clad locks. As they hear you sound like a yard man, they say, what's up, dread? You alright, dread? What's good, dread? You got that wheat? Yeah, man. The only fucking thing Jamaica have left, wanna sell backside, wanna sell here Jamaica, wanna sell everything on them, then trim with you. Wanna sell every blood clot thing. And for it, I can't realize that Grace is not a Jamaica company. We don't want nothing. God bless, we fucking Excelsior. I think we won it. Hopefully. I swear things are. We won the crackers. We won it. I feel we crackers. The crackers are good. We not lie. Product of Jamaica. We not lie. I feel we crackers. I feel we crackers. But we don't want nothing. The one little blood clad locks. You one little locks. What the man they have down there and I say, Selassie, Miras. Jamaica, what an ungrateful fucking place on a be. Wanna wait till Selassie dead and rotten and think out. For not trim me rasta them down there. After a man go no money for build school. So una don't want Haile Selassie again. You want school down there near Haile Selassie. Una want trim off your fucking locks them. My God. We don't want nothing. We broke and we not have no ear now. Everybody a ballad. The one little culture what we have. Nothing we not have left a blood clot. We broke your fuck and have not even with culture. Because all the music of African them take a big money off of it. We broke in a dance hall and Afrobeat and make billions of dollars. Then trim we know to blood clot, not even that we not have a pussy clot. Backside gone, here Jamaica gone. What left? Not even style we no one. Bomba clot. Why? Selassie, Jamaica sell the fuck out. When you go tell Selassie I want to take him money, do it there and when I achieve me rasta them. Selassie I turn in a tomb. If you see this, now corruption, now big blood clot sell out. When you come a foreign, a dread them call you. What's up, dread? You fucking stay there, so trim them. Trim them. We don't have nothing left, we broke. We broke and blood clot, we balled. Fucking all of we are catch cold. All of we pneumonia kill out with blood clot. No more here for black nothing. Everybody a trim now. Our the economy are broke, so I try to put my money in a barber pocket. So I try to build back the economy. With the barber them. A barber when I use build back the economy daddy. You know, out of everything else a really barber on the choose. Not even here just about the barber them. I feed them time for shine. Why not choose the barber them? Why the barber them get this opportunity? Every chair full. Clients them book out. Cause the other day I should have said something wrong because I'm going to here. The barber shop we get a 1 tape and a 13 man, I see a wait. Everybody a trim. So now use the barber them to climb up back the economy. Oh, that a help the economy. Andrew Wallace, you puzzle me. Why you not fight for us? You don't want to be a national hero? Andrew Wallace, you don't want to fight for your lax and be upon money. You don't want to go upon money. Alright, PG, you don't go upon no money, daddy. You don't see portion of the upon no money. A couple like Prime Minister, they will see you gonna depend no money and him dead, brother. Fight for the lax. Be a national hero. Secure your spot on a blood clot money. To Jamaica broke an economy a blood clot go down. We still have a $10,000 bill. Make your name. Make your blood clot name and fight for your lax and relax. Fight for the blood clot lax. Fight for your spot on the money. I could have even won 39 cents. They must care back. I want 1 cent. Your name are the money, dada. Fight for your blood clot name. Fight for us. I beg you. Because I'm not trim. Suck your mother. I'm not blood clot trim. A real blood clot locks. So anybody you can talk about, remember I'm not eat meat again, I'm going to pussy. You see, pray? I do not eat meat again, but meat was stew peas yesterday, you know. With pig's tail, but still. But as I tell you, I'm working to it. As you can see, I climb on the green juice here and sit there. You see me there? Yeah. Gradually, I tap me and pussy too. So you see, you understand? Yeah. Fight for your locks, my G. You understand?